This is Tom.
And Jill.
And you're with Diamond Painting with the Edwards. So if you're a subscriber and you watch our videos before, welcome back. If this is your first video, first time seeing us, welcome to the train wreck.
All aboard.
So, and as you will see through the video, this is a train wreck.
Yes.
That all our videos are just a train wreck.
We just turn on the camera and go for it.
So, what I got in the mail today is from a company called Diamond Art Paint Tin.
Painting.
I don't want to. So it's just basically like that. They are on Facebook. They are going out of business. I found a couple paintings that I really liked. I'm like, oh, they were just fitting for me. So in this one, I think one particular person will agree with me full-heartedly about this one.
Yes.
Because this is just, I mean, she even agreed, this is just so me. So, yeah. So this one, I'm going to enjoy this one as well. So, what we have is the Sloth with coffee.
It's delightful. I love it.
Yeah, yeah.
You need that hat.
The big old stocking?
Yes.
So this is 26 colors. If I could look it up, I would, but I don't have my phone with me.
That's okay.
I don't even know where it is.
When we kicked down, because we didn't have any time. This was just like, okay, got it. Okay, bam, lights on, cameras on. Let's go. When it's time for kitting it up, we'll have all the good fun information.
There you go. So if you want to look up the number, here's the number. So I was hoping they had it in square.
Diamond Art Painting. Sorry, cats. You know it's gonna happen. We got a lot. We have 9. It happens.
Yep. So there's that, and of course it comes with the standard little tray and the wax, the little cushion for your finger, your pen.
That's like a 4 or 3.
That's only like a 2.
Is it a 2?
Yeah, 2 or 3.
I haven't tried a 2 yet.
That one's a small one.
I might have to try.
Might be a 3. Nope, there's also a 4 and 5 placer in there.
Okay.
So it's got a little bit of both. So your standard stuff.
If anybody is watching that's gotten a toolkit but they didn't get the placers, let us know. We have got a Ziploc bag full of different sized placers. If you want to try a placer and you didn't come with your kit, let us know. If you need more wax, let us know. If you need anything, let us know. When I say we got tons, we got tons. Because every painting comes with one. I've done a lot of paintings.
So, like the other one, this is the paperwork that it comes with. And the numbers are just regular paper. They're not stickers or anything. So, let this thing try to focus up.
It's tired today.
Yep. So like I said, it's 26 colors. The letter, everything is very clear to see.
Good.
And it's got the felt backing here.
Oh, that's awesome. Love the felt backing. That's
so
it's
got a good quality canvas on it. So we'll pull this up a little bit.
How sticky is it? It's sticky.
It's got a good little stick to it.
I love sticky canvases.
So and like some of the drills.
Is that like a brown? Looks like
yeah.
Okay.
Looks like a chocolate.
Looks like chocolate.
Just more 310s. Which everything comes in its own individual bags.
How is it got a lot of trash in it? They say, whoever they is, say, oh, there's a bag inside of a bag. someone said, "Oh, these actually look really nice diamonds." They say that a lot of times the darker colors, because the molds are used so much, that they have a lot of trash, a lot of broken, a lot of tabby, and I mean, and I can understand that colors that are used the most, the molds are gonna break down. But these look fabulous.
And there's a darker color. I think
They've
that's a blue.
got some nice.
It's got the. Here's a different colored blue.
Okay.
So it's. Yeah, she's having a hard time focusing.
I just want to show them. Look how nice those diamonds look. For 310s. Oh, wow. That's nice.
So there's some of the orange. Then you've got some of your tans. Oops.
Uh-oh. Drills down.
So yeah, there's
Those are nice.
some of those. There's no AB. There's no ABs.
Aww.
They stop at 3,800, I believe. So
3,800.
I believe so.
Well, there's a 3865 on here, but like a lot of companies, anything under 150, I believe, is an AB. But I don't know. It just depends on the company. They can kind of do whatever they want, but
I've seen them in the 5,000s. I've seen them.
Depends on the kit. This
So we'll look at
says,
what is it? That 154.
Yeah.
So let's see what I can find.
It's like a purple.
Here it is. So here's your purples,
Those are
and they don't have the
AB coating on them.
AB coating on them.
No.
So they almost look chocolate, but they are purple.
Like an eggplant color.
Yeah. Or a plum.
I eventually will get, just to aggravate you, names of all the colors so I can look them up and say, hey, 154 is this name.
So, get me a bag.
Yes, I do. I am being very useful.
So I'll just make sure I kind of put these into the bag.
And we didn't have very much diamond fallout. What happens is when they fill these bags, diamonds will get caught up here in the little, in this little part right here. They'll get caught and then they spill out, but I don't even see any loose diamonds. They all got in these seals.
So we'll get a kit up going, and we'll.
Yeah. As soon as I have to get to work. I have 2 big paintings I'm in the process of doing, and we can't get anything up until I'm done.
Well, as soon as I get mine done, I can kit up one of these.
So yes, they'll be sitting in the little bags, sitting in the pile to do for a while.
Yeah, because I got some other ones, but I don't know. I may do these first.
Well, I mean, you can always stop what you're doing, roll it up, and work on these for a while if you want to break. You don't have to do it from start to finish if you don't
Oh,
want.
I'd rather finish one. When I start one, I'd rather finish it. It'll drive me nuts that I don't have one
Too
ready
late.
to go.
You're already nuts. You married me twice.
So, but like I said,
Oh, he's so cute.
it does have a name. I just don't remember it. I wish they put it on the canvas,
Yeah.
but they didn't.
And we'll find out all of that when we do the kit up.
Yeah. So I thought this one and the other one just be cute ones to do.
Yeah. But if you're interested, they're shutting down, but just go to Diamond Art Painting and look for that or the number down below. Show them the number. And go check them out because so far quality is excellent.
So far,
So far, I want to see.
Oh, you want to feel for yourself?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty sticky. Man alive. Oh, yeah. I can lift it up. Look. Oh, you can't see. I can lift it up with just my finger. See, I can lift it up with just my finger. Very sticky. Oh,
So.
the lovely little sloth.
Oh, yeah.
He's adorable. I love sloths.
And the funny thing is, I'll be doing this one drinking coffee.
Yes.
So.
I need someone to crochet you that hat. You need that hat. That hat's got to happen in your life. Because that's Bengals colors.
Blue and orange? No, it's not. That's Denver colors.
That's blue? That looks
That
gray.
That is a blue.
Oh, never mind. I thought, well, somebody can do gray and, or black and orange.
I would say it'd have to be black and orange for Bengals. So, but with that, we thank you guys for watching the video. Always, any videos you guys watch, we very much appreciate.
Yes, we love you all so much, and we appreciate you all so, so very much.
So if you ever have any questions, no matter what kind of questions they are, let us know.
It's not too personal, you know. I'm not going to tell you like personal stuff.
Well, yeah, we'll answer them to an extent,
Yeah.
but with that, we will see you guys later.
Bye. Hugs and kisses.
Catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
It's not fruit. Well, okay. She started it before I was ready.
Started it. The chaos. All aboard the train. Time for the train wreck. Woo!